Hello viewers, welcome to this exciting video recipe of how to make crispy prawn fry at home. This is a mixture of Indian and Japanese cuisine. Try to follow the steps. It's easy and simple and it can be made at home. These are the basic ingredients needed. Keep them ready before we go into the video. Take medium sized prawns, 250 grams, devein them and wash them. Before marination, take each prawn individually. Make some oblique cuts on the inner side of the prawns. This will help to straighten the prawns and it will remain straight even as you fry them. This will help the masala to stick well with the prawns and it will give a better look. It is shown here how you make the cuts and how you straighten them. Now we get the prawns ready for marination. Add red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. And salt half a teaspoon. Marinate them together for half an hour. Now we prepare a pre-fry coating. For this we take maida flour 3 teaspoon. Corn flour 3 teaspoon. Rice flour 2 teaspoon. Baking powder half a teaspoon. And salt half a teaspoon. Now we add 1 whole egg. And mix it well with the flour. This will give rise to a dry mixture. Now to keep this pre-fry coating wet throughout the recipe, it is important to add some 4 to 5 ice cubes. This will constantly keep the flour ready for coating. Also add 3 to 4 teaspoons of ice water. Mix them well and the flour for coating is ready. Now keep the pre-fry coating paste ready. Take a non-stick pan, add some cooking oil, check if the oil is hot enough before starting to fry the prawns. Now add each prawn after dipping in the coating. It's okay if the tail part is not coated fully. Make sure that each time you dip a prawn, remove the extra coating by touching it to the sides. Continue to add each prawn this way to the hot oil. Cook a few prawns at a time. Turn it to each side so that both the sides are cooked till it's golden brown. Crispy prawn fry is ready. Try this delicious recipe at home. If you like it, add your comments. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting upcoming recipes. Thank you for watching.